Welcome to BioCreate. Here in this lesson, we will look at the prokaryotic cell. In living world, there are two types of organisms, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. They have two different cellular organizations. When learning biology, we can find there are so many different types of organisms. There's a huge diversity, but we can categorize all these organisms into these two categories, prokaryotes or eukaryotes. So here in this first lesson, we will look at the prokaryotic cell organization. In a prokaryotic cell, we can see a capsule as the outermost covering, and this capsule is made up of polysaccharides. Then inner to the capsule, there is a cell wall. This cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. And innermost, as the innermost layer, we can find a cell membrane. As like in all other organisms, they have a plasma membrane or a cell membrane. Then in prokaryotic cells, normally we can find, see a flagellum or few flagella. And also they have short structures around the cells. In general, in a prokaryotic cell, we can find short structures surrounding the cell, movable structures. These are called pili or cilia. Then inside the cell, as like in all the other cells, there is a cytoplasm, or we call it the cytosol or cytoplasm. It is the inner environment. The inner fluid environment is the cytosol. Right. In this cytosol, we can find its nucleic material, that is a single circular DNA molecule. This circular DNA molecule is different from the eukaryotic organisms because it is a circular one and they only have one of them, a single DNA molecule. Then, in addition to this DNA molecule in this cytoplasm, we can see some other cell organelles, that is, they have ribosomes. These ribosomes are smaller in size. We call them, their size is 60S. Their size is smaller than the ribosomes in eukaryotes. And they don't have any other cell organelles. They don't have membrane-bound cell organelles. These ribosomes do not have a cell membrane. They are just protein structures. So they don't have a cell membrane. They are present in the cytosol of the prokaryotic cell. And in addition to this circular DNA molecule, they have some other DNA structures, small circular DNA molecules. Here I will draw them in blue. A few small circular DNA molecules. They are called plasmids. So these are the structural features that we can see in a prokaryotic cell. If I summarize it, the prokaryotic cell has a cytosol, plasma membrane, cell wall, and a capsule. And then in the cytosol, they have a single circular DNA molecule that is their genetic material. And in addition to that, they have few other short circular DNA molecules known as plasmids. And they have ribosomes as a cell organelle in the cytoplasm. And in the cell, we can see a flagellum or one or two flagella, and also shorter structures known as cilia or pili. Flagella are longer and cilia are shorter. Flagella are present. If present, we can see them only a few of them, one, two, or three of them. But if cilia or pili are present, we can see a large number of them. Both these structures are involved in the locomotion. They help these cells to move in their move from one place to another. Right, so this is the structure of prokaryotic cell. The examples for prokaryotic cell are bacteria and archaea. So in our next lesson, we will look at the eukaryotic cell and the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell organizations. Thank you.